everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the VJoy failed to install error on your Windows computer. So if it's trying to install something with the setup file and unfortunately it's coming across this issue, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the start menu, type in services. Best result should go back with services listed right above app. So go ahead and left click on that. Now you want to go select the cryptographic service and go ahead and double click on that. Select the stop button if it's running, and then you want to start it back up by selecting the start button now. And now that that is done, go ahead and select OK. Also double click on it and make sure startup type is set to automatic, and then select apply and OK. Go ahead and restart your computer now, and once you've restarted your computer, attempt to launch the launcher again, or attempt to launch the installer again, and then hopefully the problem should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.